number one legal obligation is to return what you have unlawfully received. What you
Mm.
unlawfully got from the government, you have a legal obligation to return. So dapat doon pa lang, before you are accepted, you have to already tell the DOJ kung magkano yung saoli mo and if that is acceptable to the DOJ. No?
Mm.
So mali yung posisyon ni legally mali si Marcoleta. There is a requirement of law.
Mm.
Sabi niya wala raw requirement. May problema sa kanya, gusto niya maging state witness without obligation to return. Eh pag naging state witness ka na, nakatestify ka na, nakalagay doon sa batas, once you have testified, you are free of criminal liability and you are no longer subject to forfeiture. So wala ka na
Mm.
isa sa ole. Gusto ni Marcoleta gawin ng state witness para wala nang maisaolis mga diskaya. Eh,
Ah.
hindi pwede yon.